Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, and let's start with account setup and goals. Create your Lose It account and upgrade to Premium to unlock advanced tracking features. Open goals and pick a primary target like weight loss or maintenance. Set a daily calorie budget such as 800 kcal to guide meals. Next, choose macronutrient ratios like 40% carbs, 30% protein, 30% fat for balanced tracking. Save your preferences and sync devices to apply your new plan immediately. Now focus on precise food logging for better results each day. Use the barcode scanner to log packaged foods quickly or enter items manually with grams and portions. For home cooking, create a recipe and add ingredient weights like 200 g chicken and 1 cup rice for accuracy. Save that recipe and add it to any meal with one tap. Use meal templates and recurring meals to streamline logging and keep daily entries consistent and fast. Explore premium tools that improve long-term adherence and insight. Enable connected devices to automatically sync weight, steps, and sleep data every day from wearables. Use custom targets and habit reminders to build consistent routines and stay on track. Open trends and reports to review weekly averages, 7-day weight changes, and calorie balance summaries. Export your data or share a progress snapshot with a coach or friend.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.